What's up, everybody? Dunsparce for the win here again. This episode we're gonna be taking on Team Magma inside the Weather Institute. Here we go. We're gonna start off running into this lady. Huh? What's a kid doing in here? Well, I'm guessing since you just left the door wide open, anybody can walk in. But we're gonna do not that much training with Loki Fox in this episode. We're probably going to be doing a lot of switching in and out with him since there's all fire type Pokemon in this place, basically. So let's just surf it up and see what Nummel will do. Up, he dies. So sad. Yeah, looks like Loki Fox is going to get a little bit of experience here, but not much since we're going to be switching in and out. Go up here, and there's another Rocket Grunt. The boss got interested in the research they have going here, so he sent us out. You quit meddling! No. Why don't you guys get this yet? I'm going to defeat you! You suck! So let's just stop it up and see what happens to Zubat. Didn't kill him, but he wasn't smart enough to use Wing Attack, though. So Zubat goes down then. Okay, Poochyena, I think you can handle that. Let's Razor Leaf it up. Go for the stab Razor Leaf, and wow, that did like nothing. Well, actually, it did, like, everything, but it didn't kill him. So, go for another stab Razor Leaf, and Loki Fox is confused. Yeah, got the Razor Leaf off. You know how to do it, Loki. Speaking of Loki Fox, he's still here. The little fucker doesn't know when to go home. Well, actually, he does. I'm kind of staying over at his place right now. I had to be his caretaker. Let's just leave it at that. The Institute created a type of Pokemon that has something to do with the weather. We're here to take them. It's funny, because Cast Form sucks. Why would you want it? But anyways, we're just gonna be Razor Leafing it up. Seeing how well Poochyena will go down. God damn with the swagger. Why always swagger? And that didn't sound good. That kinda sounded like a tire iron. Razor Leaf goes off again. Awesome. And now we actually got the attack boost, so, sorry guys, the dumb computer thing, but, alright, let's see. I think we can handle a Nummel. Come on, get the attack off. Come on, Loki. Right when you need, oh, crap, that's not gonna be good. Should we chance it? Yes! Perfect, come on, take it out. Take out the Nummel. Whoa, that did like nothing. But I think we can handle another Ember. Get the crit, get the crit. Come on. Yes, we got the crit. You know, it normally doesn't happen like that. You gotta admit. Normally you don't get the crit when you ask for the crit. I am highly shocked that I got the crit. But let's heal up real quick. And yeah, I was messing with the options yesterday, so my border changed around a little bit. But here we go. We're Team Magma. We appear wherever anything rare is found. But Cast Form may be rare, but it sucks. Why do you want something that's rare that sucks? Well, who am I to talk? Well, you guys don't know just yet. But you will quite soon, actually. So, yeah. Just be prepared. Let's just leave it at that. And another Numel. Yeah, leave Loki Fox in, but switch it out. Pokemon Abner, you can do it. Come on, Abner. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it! I missed that movie. That was from Happy Gilmore, was it? Aw, come on. Oh. Loki Fox brings up a good point. That's kind of all Adam Sandler's movies. If Rob Schneider is not in an Adam Sandler movie, I'm guessing it's gonna be the end of the world. I gotta admit. But here we are at the Team Magma boss or whatever of the Weather Institute. We're just gonna beat up on her or him. Yeah, it's a her. I hope that Courtney isn't a guy. And she leads with a Numel. So I'm not chancing that. Let's go to Ibanez. Just to soak up the ember. Yep. Okay. Ibanez soaked up the ember pretty well, and we're gonna surf it up. Surf it up, up, up. I never actually checked the stats of Loki Fox or Ibanez. After this battle, let's do that. Alright. Then switch into Loki Fox again. Come on, Loki Fox. You can do it. Razor Leaf. No bite. Oh! And he got the crit. Or she got the crit. But, ooh. I think, hopefully she doesn't get the crit. Hopefully I do get the crit. No. I'm not switching out. I'm gonna heal. And praying to God. Razor Leaf. Ooh, swagger. Hopefully we get the attack off. Come on. We can get the attack off, right? We can get it. We can get the attack off. Yeah! Loki Fox, Yoda man. Not you, Loki Fox. Loki Fox the Tropius. Loki Fox 2 sucks. Because he's number 2. Ah ha 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 ha! We got meddled with unexpectedly. We're out of options. We'll have to pull out, but this isn't the last you'll see of Team Magma. We have other plans, don't you forget it. Thanks. Thanks to you, we're safe. It might be an odd way of thanking you, but take this Pokemon. Yeah, that's a really odd way to... But, anyways, we don't have room for cast form, so we're not gonna pick him up. Yes, we actually have a full group of Pokemon. Minus, well, plus the HM slave. So, I'm gonna heal up real quick, and... I'm actually thinking that we got enough time to go over here. So, yes, I believe we do. But actually, no. I'm gonna be walking around here, surfing it up, Actually, let's throw up a super repel so that no tentacles find us. Nothing in there. Hey. And that's a secret base. Oh, wow. There's Pokemon higher level. Oh, that's ironic. There's a Tropius that's the same level as me. That's a female. And I can't escape from it. Must have a speed raising nature. I still can't escape. That's fucking great. Come on. Thank you. Alright. Let's head down here. And we found a leaf stone. Nice. That's gonna be completely pointless for our group. I was thinking about using a Ludicolo, but they're overused. So, no, I'm not gonna use a Ludicolo. I'm going to use Tropius. I'm going to use Ibanez and Loki Fox. Not you, Loki Fox. The Tropius Loki Fox. He says he cannot fight Pokemon. Yes, I believe you're right. You would die. You wouldn't faint. You would die. And we ran away from a Wingull! Yay! But, I think I'm going to abuse the time limit this episode. Everybody, be prepared. What? No, it's you again, damn it! Why? Why do you always try and find me? I hate you, May. You shunned me too many times. I found my true love. You just suck! But let's stomp on your shroomish growth. That's gonna do nothing for me. Great. Stomp. I'm actually going to heal. If I remember correctly, she has a Numel too. That's fucking great. Right now I'm getting my growth up because she's gonna send out that Numel, and I want to be able to handle it with one shot. So let's handle a Numel. Let's see how well we can handle a Shroomish actually after this is done. I think we'd be able to handle it pretty well. Kinda wish we had Sunny Day right now though. Razor Leaf. Wow, that did a lot. Yeah, because in this game, Razor Leaf is actually a special attack since they didn't get the physical special split. So let's see how well we can handle a Numel. Oh, nice! A one-hit KO with the crit. I don't know if we needed it or not, but that was kick-ass. Now Marshtomp should go down really fucking easy. Ooh, that's gonna hurt though. Wow, you beasted that pretty well, Loki. I'm talking about the Tropius. And Loki Fox leveled up to 27. Nice. And it wants to learn Whirlwind. I don't think so. Even though Growth and Sweet Scent suck, they're still better than Whirlwind. But yeah, that's May again. If you really have... Oh, and now of course, she gives me another present. She gave me Fly this time, which is actually pretty useful. So, I'm going to go into my bag. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do that on the side, and I'm going to call that an episode. And next episode we'll head up into Tree City. See you all later then. Goodbye.